So, yeah. Hello, Sashika. Hello, Sashikal, and how are you? I'm gonna do presentation in English. I'm gonna tell you who I am. My name is Kulwinder. I'm in Toronto, and I wanna tell you I'm a mom for 5 kids, and I stay most of the time home and give a full potential time to a family. And I love cooking and I feed my kids properly on time. I have a master degrees in my language, Punjabi, and I teach part-time. Since like I done my university and I get married, I do things always part-time. What I did and what I'm doing, I love to do it. I have in my time freedom. Whatever I want to do for family, I have a time for them always. I cook from fresh. I have a time for my friends. But how I can manage, that's only I can say I can do with the networking marketing. How, when the kids are sleeping or doing their homework, I can do my work too, and I give a hand to my family. First, I did with the cosmetic company, but now I'm in a health and wellness. That's like $1 trillion company or market, whatever you're gonna say. I love to do it. I wanna share with all the mothers. They are watching me or fathers who they wanna give a time to the family and get up financially freedom. Now I'm gonna show you the company where I'm working. I'm gonna share my screen. Let's give me a minute. I will bring a screen here to give a presentation. Okay. The company name is like a For Life. Is do life differently. That's I'm telling you. If you want looking at time freedom, and this is only you can do with the networking marketing companies when you are home with your family and kids, and you can do this kind of businesses, and you have a time freedom. The For Life company is like a very unique and I love it because since I'm a child, I heard about like a natural way, natural product, natural health. And now when I see this science, I'm get amazed. And this science, For Life science, I can say in an Indian word, is a body and the English word is a colostrum. It's a very powerful science. And this company, they have a very good success in this business in 21 years in a row, every month by month, day by day. And that last part with their service, I love their service, how they're helping and giving back to others. It's a really good service. And if we are saying how I tell you, we believe in together building people. That's a lot meaningful for me when we are saying together building people, everybody is helping each other to build their business. For Life is making a history, how we can say in a history, they are like a patent product, they are debt-free company, they are get like Stevia awards, they are AA plus, or you will see on the screen is a recommendation from Home-Based Business. It's a health and fitness business, but they are already in a family physician desk reference. If we are saying we are a very, very well-known now, I can say immune science experts. This is the immune system company. They are doing everything in-house and they're building their legacy. Why support the immune system? Transfer factor is like a very well known from like since I think it's a human is born, this like a product or these cells are helping our immunity. What they do, they recognize when like outside threats our body getting, then they respond it, and then they remember always how to protect you from everything. What makes it different if we are saying an immune system sport? How I tell you is that they're recognizing outside threats, then they respond it, then they remember to fight back. For Life transfer factor products are offer nature's wisdom. That's like God-given gift you already have in your body's immune system. They are promoting your all over wellness. They are patent product Nobody can take that patent, and this is an immune system company. And David and Bianca, they opened this business. Now they have like so many products. It's like a target product. How we have a eyes, we have a insulin, how it's working, and cardio, all the, we can say heart, brain, like so many organs we have in our body. We have a target product, how we can enhance our like a smartness or rememberness, like again, back and back. More products they put like in shelves, like a antioxidant sport product. They have a personal care sport product. They have a transmission products. If people want to do using a protein powders and like energy drinks, we have everything. How often do you share this product and that you love? I can say we need to like see these product only word from mouth. We know somebody is doing it, then they will share to you. They are not advertising anywhere, but you can like share with word to mouth. We are $1 billion industry if we are saying it's a wellness, weight management, healthy aging, skincare. We are all in one place. Immune system. If we are saying like how we can say success, how would you do life differently? This is a business opportunity I'm sharing with you, how you can make a money with the 7 ways to earn with 4 life. First thing is a retail profit. When you join the company, you will get like a retail prices. If like I'm saying like 25% rapid rewards bonus, every preferred customer order a product in your line. When you suggest or tell somebody order it, you will make 25%. And if you do, we have like a point system in our company because we are in so many countries. And if I order more than 100 LP, over 100, I can make 25% from my sales too. Then like the anybody join in your, you will get 25% instant discount. And this is like ongoing process. You have a builder bonus, you have a loyalty programs, you have a commissions. When you are ready to start, we will share more and more. If I'm showing you a team commission, like in the first level, if I teach 6 people, I will bring 6 people only in the market, I'm gonna make only 2%. If like they are doing 150 LP, people are gonna say this is like a little money. But like if you go on the next level, that 6 people, I will teach them how to duplicate. They bring 6 people where the business start, then I'm gonna make 25%. It's a $990. Think about this. And if I teach that 3 people, 6 people again, and help them to bring them to duplicate again in the 3 levels. If I see we have a like 260 people organization and I'm making on third level in a 5%. If we are calculating everything so far, how I make is almost close to a $4,000. If you are looking and satisfied with this money, this is a globally business. This is your own time, own life. And then we have a like earn free product. That's a loyalty program. If you're ready to join, I will share you more information with you. We have a builder bonuses. If we are saying a builder bonuses, every company, they have a, like a different way to like promote and like do their sales part. Our company is like very well known, and they do like 3x3 example. They give it, you can make almost $800 bonus if you build your 3-level legacy. And if you wanna like learn more, we will like talk on like the next video and how you can build your bonus. The first like our level is a qualifying a diamond. You need only 100 PV. That's like a point value. Then if you have a like a only invite 3 people and your team sale is almost 3,000 LP, this is a builder bonus and you will reach a diamond. That's the first level. Then after we have a ongoing things, every company, they have a like a great escapes, our company giving a great escape trip. And for 2 people in your family, you can go free of everything. It's a luxury kind of vacation trips. And then you will see surviving lifestyle. This is like the, I already we share, we are like a very well known with the science, success and service. You will see these all 3 pictures there where you can see is like our lifestyle. And if I wanna see like who gonna support us, who will support you, step-by-step trainings, personal mentors, corporate support. This is Bianca Lisenby and David Lisenby. They are our co-founders. Steve Tew is like a vice chairman. We have a president, CEO Danny Lee. All of us, like when we need any kind of support, they are support us. Choose the option that is right for you, business developer, retailer, and customer. How you gonna make money with 4Life? This is you gonna decide it. Do life differently with 4Life. I'm looking forward to see you guys. Do you have any question or concern? You can talk to me or you can put in a question answers. I will try to do my best. Like I'm looking at business partners in my 4Life business. This is for today. We will see you until next time, next Friday again. Bye-bye.